Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to find the missing all tags URL images from a web page using the Google Sheets. So I'm using this Google Sheet. You can find its link from the description and make a copy for yourself by clicking on File and make a copy. So I have pasted some web pages in the first row. You can add more into this and then go to the website info, click on find images without all tags. Here you can see it's scrapped the images URLs which has missing all tags on these web pages. So you can combine these pages and resolve by logging into the WordPress admin. So you can easily find the images by this name, and you can also find in the folder. So it's the quick and simple step that you can use for fetching the missing all tag URLs. Here you can see it's the file name. So it's easy to understand which file has missing all tag. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.